Okay, next question here we have given the equation of the line y is equal to 4/3 x minus 2, find the slope and y-intercept. Okay, Victor, can you tell me how do you start this problem? What do you think?
Start this problem. You need to determine that -2 would be like y in the equation. No wait. It's been a while since I've done this one, so I'm not 100% sure.
Well, let me ask you, do you know what's the general equation of the line in the slope-intercept form? Do you know that?
Well, the slope-intercept form is -2.
No, the formula. Anybody know the formula? Y is equal to what? Okay, I have one of the students who logged in online typed y is equal to mx plus b, and that's absolutely correct. This is how you find the slope and intercept if the equation is given to us in this format. And in this case, it is. Your m is, or the slope is the coefficient of x in this case. This is your m. And your y-intercept is this constant here, this number here. That would be where your line is going to intercept y-axis. That's b. So in this case, your slope, Victor, what is the slope and what is y-intercept then?
The slope is 4/3, and the y-intercept is -2.
Right, so the y-intercept or b is equal to -2. Your slope is 4/3. So in this case, they want you to find the slope and y-intercept. So the first number should represent the slope, which is 4/3. So what would be a right choice here?
The correct choice is C.
Correct choice is C, you're saying. So the slope is 4/3 is a point. This is where your graph going to intercept y-axis. So if you were going to just look at that point, you can graph this and see it too. So if this is the y-axis and this is x-axis, your graph going to pass us through point -2 on the y-axis. This is the point here. Now using this slope, how can I find another point on the line so I can actually graph this? Victor, do you know?
Yeah, you move up 4 units and then move to the right 3 units. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure.
No, you're absolutely correct. Very good. So slope is rise over run. Remember the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this would be changing on y-axis over changing on x-axis. So since both of these are positive, from this point here, -2, if you move 4 units up and 3 units to the right, you land on another point on the line. So can you tell me what that point would be?
That point would be 2x would equal 2 and y would equal 3. No, wait, no, my bad. 3, x would equal 3, and y would equal 2. 3, 2.
Very good. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So if I know a point or y-intercept from, and I know the slope, from there I can find another point on the line and actually graph that using this method. This would be the graph of the line. They didn't ask us to graph this, but since we went that far, why don't we just graph it? So this is how you find another point. If you know the y-intercept, this is y-intercept, which is b, and we said slope is 4 over 3. It means from any given point, if I move 4 units up, 3 units to the right, I land on the same line. And that's true for this as I go along throughout this line.